President Obama, you're rolling up on top of the stack now. Hey, President Obama, you got that mall down, Greg. Okay, I'll look back around the northeast corner for a bit.
Hey, Chuck, you shouldn't tell the dog. You need a plea collar. They're protest.
Motor Mouth Mall, your West Coast beast, dropping them all. I got down, break on.
I'll get it back 10-7. Check. I'm going to the color pot. Take care, Chomp. Sound good as always. I'll be back. Click.
Well, throw the stick, and the dog will go chase it to break.
I'm just cruising, man. I'm just cruising this cookie out. Look at this audio. That top big talking about I don't got no audio, Snoop. Hey, Snoop, ain't my fault my voice all messed up. Ain't my bad, my voice all messed up. But look at this audio with a messed up voice, my bad.
Bye, 3. Take care, 3 in the Carolinas. Have a good day. We will catch you another time, another way. I'll get to stepping, one fat foot in front of the other. Motor Mouth Mall, your West Coast beast, got down right there, break. Hey, 125. Hey, 125. You say, hey, John. You say you're back in the Great Lakes. I'm back in the Great Lakes right there, 125. Your West Coast beast got down right there. What you think about that, breaker?
For you to cut a run runner. I'm going to give you a chance for you to call a run runner out here, bro. Iceberg, I'm going to get another cup of mud, man. While you hanging out around your Buckeye.
I like Welcome Back, Hunter. That was a good show. Ooh. Hey, I tell you what, man, that just flashed me back to the 70s. Hey, 125, low to the ground, Motor Mouth Mall, your West Coast beast, dropping a hammer from time to time. Break on.
Nobody out there. Nobody out there.
Hey, low to the ground, 125. When you low to the ground, you're up on the top end of the Richter scale over here. You're doing it right over there on that end. That's for doggone sure. We just walk with Mother Nature. We let her do the heavy lifting. We go along for the ride. Ain't no doubt about that. Hey, 125, low to the ground. Mr. Bartol, the West Coast beast over here, man. We dropping them all from time to time. I got down.
This way, 3 in the Carolina, dog. What's up?
I'm going to see if I can't get this 20-footer out there on the west side. I'm going to see if I can't get this 20-footer out there on the west side. Good morning. Master P, Uptown Louisville's 10-8. Me and this old antique transmitter trying to get on the left side, getting down.
You made me sound better in real life, or you made me sound better on your Watergate than I do in real life. But I'll take it. I ain't gonna worry about that. I'll just keep going with it. It's all in the audio processing, that's all it is. No secrets. Just doing it the right way. Because you gotta be in the right place at the right time, doing the right thing the right way.
I'm out here. I ain't talking to Texas. I can't think about another call fight down there in Texas. I'm out.
Got down.
Hey, do me a favor, man.
Man, oh man. That was real rough. Hey, Motor Mouth, I don't know if you was talking to me or not. But I'm going to say good morning. Good morning one more time around this bluegrass. Hey, Motor Mouth, this 20-foot in the bluegrass, breaker.
Shit, I put it on later, dog. That's right.
still going. Can you turn that off, please? Thank you. Yeah, son of a gun. You know, sometimes the engineer and the host, they don't always they don't see eye to eye on everything, you know.
The voice in the ballpark. I'll see you. Bye.
Yes, Mother Nature's crazy. I'm hearing the voice up in the northeast corner. Let me get my hat and scat. This 20 foot in the bluegrass, no conditions on the left side. The P and the P-funk getting down.
Built by you and dropped in a hammer by.
Hey, good morning, dog. I'm gonna try to reach you, man. Hey, dog, Master P. Hey, good morning to you, dog. Master P in the bluegrass getting down.
What's going on? Is this the weekend? Did I miss a few days? Is this the weekend? Lights out uptown, Philadelphia, getting on down.
Now turn this 20 foot around to the northeast corner. Them cat niggas coming in my back door. Me and this 20 footer coming off the left side, going to the east side. I'm getting down.
But man, you better you leave that 20 footer out there. Where's that? Good morning to you, my brother. Master P, good morning to you. You better leave that damn 20 footer. Where's that? UFO killer, go. I told you I don't have condition to fight with him right now.
Shit, I was getting ready to turn that cat nigga to the east side, man. I heard you while I was turning, so I hit the other switch. I done came up there around them snow caps. Hey, top of the day to you, been a while, man. UFO killer. If you got a grip, man, this old antique transmitter looking at you, getting down.
14, I'm getting ready to go get a cup of mud. Good morning to you, my long-time friend, Master P. P-Funk. UFO killer. I just heard you, brother. I want to speak in you before I go get a cup of mud. Take care of Master P. Hump Day Way. UFO killer. And pull it straight back.
410. Big brother, always a pleasure to put the spokes on you, man. Give the queen a great big hug, man, before you get your coffee. Tell her I said hello and how to do on that cat big in. Put it on you later. UFO killer while you going to get that coffee. Me and this 20 foot over in the bluegrass. The sun is shining on both sides of the street. It's going to get 80 degrees over this duck plug of the day. That break.
Anyway, I'm back. Hey, 125. Motor mouth mall working this thing. Hey, Mr. Tillman. I'm dropping a hammer from time to time. I got down, breaker.
P, I gotta get that second cup of mud. Take care. God bless you and the family. Worldwide Master P. UFO killer. 1063 I'm going to the coffee pot. Quick.
410, man. Appreciate the time we had, though. You have a super fine one, man. Put it on you later. Go get that second cup. Go get that second cup. Me and this 20 footer be on the mailbox. I'll see you. Bye-bye.
Please, P-Funk. I got down.
410. I'm glad to hear you got that bass back up in there and you got it adjusted back the way you normally keep it, because that's where I like to hear it. I tell you what, there's smoking over there. You show him, go watch this. There you go, show and go. You 7 grand on the band right there. Motormouth Mall came and went. I got down, breaker.
That sound real good, too. That sound real good, Motormouth. Top of the day to you. I just came out of them snow caps and I turned down to the left side now. Me and this 20 footer with the good morning. I'll see you.
You don't make any difference who can this guy to pick a 20-footer.
410. Okay, sounds good. Well, enjoy whatever it is you're going to go eat. We'll catch you back when you come back.
Hey, Noisy boy, what's this all about Mother Nature? You got me 60, man.
Hey, man. I think I heard my cat making brother over in Oklahoma. Hey, undercover, was that you? Man, this rubber damn Motormouth Mall got my damn ears right there. But I thought I heard my brother undercover. Hey, me and this 20-footer getting down.
Hey, nosy boy, hold on, count picker. Hold on. You try to tell me my count picker meter is messed up, right? Don't duct tape him, Snoop. Don't duct tape him, Snoop. Lights out, so please don't duct tape him, Snoop. Lights out.
And them cat pickers up in the northeast corner plugging my ears. Let me get out of here. Hey, undercover, I know that was you. I know it was you on that cat picking end, but I'm going to say top of the day to you. Tell the queen, tell Lady Short Stack I did say hello and how they do. Being this 20-footer, I'm going up to the northeast corner because them cat pickers are plugging my ears. I see you.
The 75. Hey, nosy boy, I know that was a 75, but that cat picker Snoop got a bag. Hey, 20-footers, you got a copy. Hey, 20-footers, you got a copy. Good morning to you. Hey, good morning to you, 20-footers, you got a copy. So, my big brother, undercover dog, say good morning. And tell my little sister I say good morning too.
My Jackie's sister passed away Monday, about this time, Monday morning.
Hey, dog, good morning, right back, man. Hey, dog, good morning, right back. I think it was you. Your damn telephone was ringing. I guess it was your phone ringing on it end. But yeah, I didn't get back in touch with him, man. I couldn't hear him no more. I just heard him say, don't turn that 20-footer. But I knew it was undercover, though, no doubt. Hey, dog, put it on you later. This skip's going every which way. I see you. Bye-bye.
Yeah, I better say, yeah, everything is all real good, man. Everything is all fine. But, you know, you got to stop and realize you got to appreciate every day you get because you don't know if you're going to get another one. Anyway, as you get older, you find the people around you start dropping around, dropping down, dropping like flies. And it's scary, and it's sad. But it's, as they say, every life owes a death. A credit card, Motormouth Mall cruising. Dropping a hammer from time to time.
I'm gonna get on out of here. I ain't got no Mother Nature up here with Motormouth Mall. That duck plugger got my ears tied up and them cat niggas out of the northeast corner. Let me ease this 20-footer back. Me and this 20-footer in this old transmitter in the bluegrass with no conditions getting down.
What happened to that kind of bigger money up there, man? What happened to that kind of bigger money out there running that JB song? Where you at? Hey, Shorty, he wouldn't let me at it. Hey, Shorty.
Hey, killer back on the nail. Hey, killer.
He can't ever kill. I bet you I take out my mobile out here. I guarantee you, if I take out the goal out here, I'll guarantee you. I got Bill Gates, he can't even kill big balls in Connecticut, man. Make me sick, man. A meatball, big man down south, lights out, just check it out.
Where we really stand. Anyway, I don't mean to bring that. This isn't supposed to be any kind of a... You know, it's just, it is what it is.
Hola.
He had a hammer down, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. He had a hammer down, man. He made my gate. I'm gonna push my gate. You try to cut the lights off. He had the hammer. I know you wasn't hearing lights off, but it's all good, man. You tried, man. But I'm gonna push the gate. Get on, John Snoop Dogg, B.A. Big Cokie Hammer, Lady Attitude, blah, blah, blah.
Coast underlines of the beast. Absolute truest. All got done.
Hey, Noisy Boy, you still got that long down, Noisy Boy. Hey, Noisy Boy, lights out. Say you still got that long down, Noisy Boy. Lights out. Just checking out.
Hey, good morning. Good afternoon to you, lights out. Hey, lights out. Master P just turned this 20-foot up there around the corner, man. Let me see if I can't get a little Mother Nature up there around your town. Hey, lights out. P in the P-Funk uptown. This 20-footer getting down.
Hey, morning. Hey, Snoop, I'm going to stand by for Lake Soccer have a little fun, man. I'm I'm gonna cool down, man. I'm gonna go cool down so the Lights Out could have for fun, man. He could call a fight, man. So I'm gonna stand down so Lights Out could get up. I'm gonna stand down so Lights Out could get up from the ground, man. I'm gonna stand down so Lights Out could get up. Bye.
Is to progress regardless of who.
Ain't got no Mother Nature on the northeast corner either. Shame on the mess. I think it was bad attitude there. Hey, bad attitude. You got a grip, Master P, uptown Louisville, waving my hand break.
He hear you. He hear you, because you got 60. The other cop figure he talking to got 20 in my radio. And I know the guy he talking to, he can't hear what I can hear, so you know how it go. You know how it go. Hey, listen, you know when you play baseball, you scared? If that ball coming 100 miles per hour and you swing at it, you hope you hit it, that's what they're doing. They hope they can guess what they're saying right. Bye.
Hey, bad attitude. You sure got that right. Can't be scared if that cat is coming at you at 100 miles an hour. You just got to stand in there and get on time. Get on time with that cat and then hit that cat on out the park. Me and this 20-foot in this transmitter getting down.
I went to high school. I hold the record of sacks. 17 and a half sacks in 6 games, right? Oh, bad attitude, boy. A dumb young guy went to the corner, got caught, went to jail, couldn't make it in football. But I have scholarships, Compigger. I have scholarships at all, man, to play football. But I messed up, John Snoop. But now I'm whipping Mike Duck's hands out here. Bye.
Getting on down.
I guess that Snoop got that damn hammer down. They'll get back on BA. Me and this old transmitter in the bluegrass with no Mother Nature up around the northeast side. The 20-foot in the bluegrass, getting down.
It's hard to hide. Man, I'll tell you what. Hey, it's Switchblade. I'm sitting here working on some coffee. 24-ounce cup of coffee, you know, and I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. I'm sipping on it. I'm drinking it, you know. But I'm still working on my intravenous.
Boy, I tell you, man, I respect everything you say. Hey, Snoop, I respect everything you say. Only thing I can't respect, you call me Lights Out. That kind of bigger Lights Out. Come on now. I got hair in my head, man. I got hair. That kind of bigger ain't had no hair since he was fucking 12 years old, kind of bigger. You out here confusing me with a mutt dog like that. Hey, Snoop, listen, I'm out of here, man. I got a bad attitude now. You call me Lights Out. That's the other kind of bigger. Bye.
Yeah, it's an intravenous system, you know, got the little IV bag full of coffee and a little lunch.
Dude, I have fun out here. I'm really too fun out here, man. They giving out this northeast corner war, man, and I'll be honest, I don't care if I win, but if I win it, I want to win it tight. I don't want to win it that easy, man. I don't want to win it that easy. I want to win it with some competition, but so far ain't no competition out here. 27-25. Hey, Snoop, BA, rocking his cookie. I'm on the low side, and I'm 10-7. Bye.
So tell them all a big old hello out there on the big horn. And appreciate you bumping it down in the world of sound. Switchblade, Wolf Lake, Motormouth Mall, Big Bad John got down, Mr. Consistent, dropping a hammer full time. All the time to time, I got down.
Hey, Lights Out, man, listen. Lights Out, he a bullhead, right? And he got eyes like the system. That guy because his eyes look like the system, the little system, big ass eyeballs and no hair, man. That's an ugly kind of bigger box.
I don't know I got conditions around DX Land 302 out west, Brandon.
Yeah, 302, you got conditions. But you gotta put a bigger mall out here than them cat makers over in Bakersfield, no Motormouth. Hey, but 302, Masterpiece, and come on around Louisville, KY, that break.
Come on, Masterpiece, I'm out here with you. I'm gonna get out of here, slow BA, bye.
26.
Hey, dog, man, it's just rough and tough, man, on me right now. I turned around to the East Coast, man, and tried to get up there with BA. That duck plucker's still coming in the back door, man. But dog, this damn shit is going every which way. Hey dog, you got a copy of this 20-foot in this transmitter. Getting down, getting down.
And I appreciate your input. And you say you are a connoisseur of audio, even though you haven't got the audio. You're a connoisseur. But check this out. You got it going on. Check this out.
Yeah, we might be cousins. I don't know, cause they say I'm pretty damn consistent myself on the east side.
That cat making motor mouth plugging my ears playing switchblade back. That cat maker playing switchblade back, and that cat maker, man, he's smoking. Hey dog, put it on you later. I ain't got no Mother Nature with these little bitty whites in the bluegrass. I see you. Good day.
It's much cleaner to me. It is today now. You might have it set up the same way, but today it sounds cleaner. Take care, Big Bad John, switchblade, a connoisseur for modulation. Just too damn bad, I ain't got none. Hey, Master P, if you don't know, it's rough out here. All I'm getting is a bunch of noise and everybody talking to the east side. Hey, P, everybody living around the east side talking, so it's hard in my ears. All I'm getting is this feedback. Hey, P, I'm gonna put it on here.
Assistant, a.k.a. Big...
Yeah, 410, man. I'm trying to get out there. I'm trying to throw a lot of audio out there at you, man. This shit just going every which way, but not the right way. My shit's going up in the trees, rocks and trees right now. It ain't going in nobody's CB. Hey, dog, put it on you later. Me and this 20-footer ain't nothing I can do about it today. Mother Nature just ain't playing fair. I see you. Bye.
Right back, Snoop. Top of the morning, right back, man. It's rough out here, boy. I tell you, I can't make out nothing. I'm straining my ears to hear anything on the east side. Hey, go. I'm gonna wait real quick and get out of the road because it's hard on my ears, man. Put it on there with Snoop.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it real hard on that duck plugger too. I'm gonna have to throw a stick at that cat maker so he can go chase that cat maker and leave me alone. I'm gonna have to throw a stick at that duck plugger, dog. I know it's your homeboy, your home dog on that cat maker here, but I'm gonna throw a stick so he can get out my damn way. Put it on you later. Hey dog, the 20-foot in this transmitter. Getting down.
Make a new batch before Friday, man. Hey, dog, make a new batch of sauce before Friday. Throw the other stuff out the refrigerator. Get rid of it. Hey, dog, get some new batch. Put in some new, hey, dog, make a new batch for Friday. You got something? I'm doing a whole lot of songs, but you can't do that with Mother Nature on that, right? Hey, noisy man, I'm sitting down here doing a lot of things, but I'm just waiting for Mother Nature to settle down there, break. All right, dog. No doubt.
Lord, and the switchblade. Hey, take care. Have a good day. I'm going to get back on the side. I want to say thank you to everybody on YouTube and the kind words there. Appreciate that. And, yeah, I think you're right about that. I think he would appreciate me just living everything positive and doing everything the best I can and just keeping him into the good thoughts and all the good stuff there. So, anyway, we'll do. And Switchblade, Wolf Lake, take care. Blessings and good graces. I will keep dropping this hammer down for a little while longer. The cup has still got some coffee in it. Like I said, I haven't finished the intravenous system yet, but we're working on it. Motor mouth mall stepping. I got down right there. Breaker.
Boy, ain't nothing but a cotton making.
Hey, good morning to you, motor mouth. If you got a copy, man, I'm gonna try to ease on up in there, man, and just wave 4 and 1, man. Hey, motor mouth, P-Funk, uptown, getting down.
Yeah, no, Snoop Dogg, I ain't been in the halfway house. You know, there's nothing wrong, I don't think, yet with intravenous coffee use. That's an okay thing. But no, I haven't been in the halfway house. I went up there to the halfway 10/8 channel. I went up to channel 28 for a little while, and I retuned my stuff up there to talk up on there for about a week, no, 2.5 weeks, almost 3 weeks. And then I tried to come down here and talk without retuning. See, I can tune up here and talk up there, but I can't tune up there and talk down here because this you know, it's just this antenna's working for here. And so anyway, I had my fill of that for a little while and figured I'd come back down to the bowl, so I retuned for back down here. So here I am. So I'm here and I'm back. Here's Johnny.
Too fast, don't worry about it, no heartbreaker. Hey, Heartbreaker 32.5 said, don't worry about his nose. He said, what he worried about his damn ears. Hey, Heartbreaker 32.5 said, don't worry about his nose. He worried about his damn ears.
Flopping, bucking, weaving.
Hey, what he got? One of them big old bones in his nose? Hey, UFO killer. Does he got one of them big ass bones in his nose? Hey, me and this 20-footer being nosy, breaker.
Hello to you as well. A radio station, Motormouth Mall, stepping.
Heartbreaker told me to leave you on the mall. Hey, Heartbreaker, you said leave that dumb fucker on the mall. He said he's going back to the booth too. I hear both of y'all. Take that 32.5, take that Heartbreaker. His nose, he got a problem with Heartbreaker. Take care, God bless you, 32.5, God bless you, Heartbreaker.
Sport, and I hear it in the background. Today is hump.
Shit, this Mother Nature jumping all over the bluegrass ain't landing over here. I'm trying to get back up around them damn snow caps and I can't even get in that Cap Biggers radio. No get back, UFO killer. P in the P-Funk, uptown, being nosy. Does that cat nigga got a bone in his nose that break?
Breaker. Take that 32.5. But Heartbreaker, we not worried about his nose. I was giving him an eargasm. Hey, Heartbreaker, I was giving him an eargasm.
One of the other locals, a little bit of radio time. That's a ploy. Don't fall for that one, there, break.
Superman, 2 for 1. Take care, Superman. You see, you gonna get him double 2 for 1, Superman. Hey, I'm at the bottom of my coffee cup. They tell me, hey, Superman, 32.5.
Small, Big Bad John, the West Coast Beast, Mr. Consistent. Got down. Mall. Good afternoon, Tom Chia. Hope everything is all well and swell out there, break.
Hey, Cooling Gang, you see, I'm gonna get a 3 for 1. Good morning, Chief. Good morning, Cooling Gang. Stomp down, Alabama. I heard you earlier, but you had to go to the 21. Cooling Gang, UFO killers, I gotta pull up out here while you getting a 3 for 1. Cooling Gang,
Hey, Switchblade, man, you got a hammer out there. Hey, Switchblade, you sitting in there in ambush mode. You're sitting by the workbench. You got a soldering iron in one hand, and you got your foot pedal on the other, or a foot on the foot pedal, and you're sitting in ambush mode. I see how you're doing it there, break. Switchblade, the big man. You say right there, Switchblade, I don't know if you got that 5, but Big Man he started trying to give you some advice. He said you got to let go of the mic to break.
That's Superman in Georgia. They cool again, that's Superman in Georgia. That's your name over there, Superman in Georgia. Take me to take care of and that double is doing the thing this morning. Take care of Cool in the game, but that be your neighbor. Superman in Georgia. Cool in the game. Take care of
Cruising break.
7. Quit plugging my ears, Cat Bigger. Hey, 7. I ain't even looking at you. You can't keep plugging my ears and I ain't looking at you, Doug Plugger. Hey, 7. Snow caps, 20-footer in the bluegrass. Get down.
It's between Big Man and the Switchblade. It's between the Big Man and Switchblade right there. I'll tell you what, I can't hear nothing else between the two. And even then, man, Mother Nature, she dipping and dabbing it.
I'm not going to tell them guys to come over there, cross the line. Cool again, I'm not going to do that.
I just saw about a 10 dB jump in your signal. Hey, big man, I just saw about a 10 dB jump in your signal. I see what you did. Hey, big man, I see what you did because your signal just come up here about 10 dB all at once. I had to roll in some attenuation to get you back in my radio. Big man, Motormouth Mall, cruising, I got down, break it.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can't ride with that cat maker right there. Hey, Motormouth, I'm gonna try to ride his back, man, and jump off in your town. Hey, Motormouth, P in the P-Funk. P in the P-Funk working this 20-foot in this transmitter, getting down, getting down.
410. Well, I tell you what, you bad as you want to be right here, right now. That's for doggone sure. You got that mall down. And I wouldn't be surprised. See, now, I know Switchblade said he's got to go back to the workbench and he's got to get some stuff done before he goes to Texas. But, you know, Switchblade is only working them 800s. He ain't on the big box. So I'm waiting to see if Switchblade puts that foot pedal down to get us over this.
Hey, Mall. I do what I do. I do the best that I can do, man. Hey, Motor, one day I'm gonna be just like you, bad as I wanna be. Take care of Motor, I'm getting down.
And right now, you're bad as you want to be right there, right now. Ain't no doubt about that. You're all up in my radio. Big man, Motormouth Mall, you West Coast East. The small man, the most consistent man, the little ball peen mall on the west side, looking around the east side, got down right there, break on.
Hey, shoot, man, you got him tied twice. 32.5, key 2. Hey, cool again, them just look at you tied up, man. That's just like Superman keyed twice. I couldn't make out everything he was saying, but I know he keyed twice. Take care, cool again. Take care, Superman. Take care, 32.5.
410. You know, systems I'm building one over here. I'll have to put your name on one of these things. It's an intravenous coffee drip system, so you don't have to go back to the coffee pot. It's gonna, you can take it wherever you go. It's kind of like a colostomy bag that you hold above your heart, and it ain't really a colostomy bag. That's better, bad analogy. It's a little like an IV drip bag, and it's got coffee in it. You drip that into your into a metering circuit, and you get set up with that, and it's it'll help you out. You don't have to go to the coffee pot on a regular basis. Oh, big man, Motormouth Mall cruising, I got down.
Jump on top, but I gotta get out of here. God bless you. God bless you, every one of my big brothers out there with that double hammer down. Cool in the game. Superman. 32.5. Now, I'll break, I get you back in somewhere. UFO killer 10-7.
10-4. Well, you know, it's an interesting system. I've been giving it some thought for a long time, and I'm working on it. So slowly but surely, we'll get there, and we'll give it a shot and see what happens. Ain't no doubt about that. Big man, Motormouth Mall, your West Coast beast waving and stepping. What's that big old good morning time wave to you? Your West Coast undermodulated beast dropping a hammer from time to time. They got down.
Hey, Motormouth, Mother Nature getting ready to drop off in the bluegrass. She's getting ready to drop off in the bluegrass, and when she does, I'm going to have to take her and put her up somewhere so she can stay around this duck plucker. Good morning to you while you getting that coffee, that intervene coffee on that cat making in. Me and this 20-footer just want to say good morning to you, and I see you.
Hey, Master P, let me say good morning, too, while you're sneaking up in my radio like that. Hey, Master P, you got that P-Funk quad working out here on the west side, so I want to say good morning time one time. Hey, Master P, you're on the bluegrass. If you got any kind of a sloppy copy, you know who got all the way down, breaker.
Yeah, 410. I've been hooping and hollering, man. Just didn't make the trip, but right there, I appreciate you waving a hand, letting me know I'm doing a little talking. Me and this old transmitter in the bluegrass just want to say good morning to you. I see you. Bye, bye, bye.
410, I had to work my separator a little bit. I heard a big one rolling up in there. I had to work the separator a little bit, but man, when I got the separator dialed in, you come rolling up in there like a jack in the box all by yourself. Hey, Master P, definitely good to hear you up in there. I didn't hear you a couple keys ago, but there's some big old heavy hitters out there, and I know you ain't got the big box fired up yet, so you're doing a good job. Hey, Master P around the bluegrass, if you've got any kind of a sloppy copy, I'm going to try to roll up in there with a little bit more audio from time to time. I got down break.
No pain, no strain on your end. Shit, you've been plugging my ears for about the last 30 minutes, man. I done turned around, went to the east side, man, and tried to get up in their radios, and I couldn't do it, so I had to turn back around, no doubt. Hey, but it is what it is, man. Just appreciate you waving your hand, sounding real good over here in the bluegrass on this beautiful hump day on that Campbell Inn. It's going to get 80 degrees over here in the bluegrass today, and I'm so good. I'm so glad that it is too, man. I hope it stays this way. Hey, Motormouth, this old transmitter in the bluegrass with the high five if you still got a grip. I'm getting down, getting down. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye. By the way, hey, Master P, check this out one time. You come up in here like you own my... I gotta look out the door and find out where you are.
Staying on your end. Shit, you've been plugging my ears for about the last 30 minutes, man. I done turned around, went to the east side, man, tried to get up in their radios, and I couldn't do it, so I had to turn back around, no doubt. Hey, but it is what it is, man. Just appreciate you waving your hand, sounding real good over here in the bluegrass on this beautiful hump day on that Campbell Inn. It's going to get 80 degrees over here in the bluegrass today, and I'm so glad that it is too, man. I hope it stays this way. Hey, Motormouth, this old transmitter in the bluegrass with the high five if you still got a grip. I'm getting down. Bye-bye.
And I think that'll tell you what's going on in my radio. Hey, Master P, I think that'll tell you pretty good in fine detail what's going on in my radio there, break.
Well, shit, ain't nobody keying up, but they gonna key this time. Hey, Motormouth, didn't nobody key. That's why I sound like that. You know how they say, well, you sound good by yourself, but what he sound when I put the pounds on his ashtray? Hey, but Motormouth, it ain't nothing but Mother Nature if they key, because you know I ain't got nothing out there. This old transmitter in the bluegrass with the get down and gone. I see you.
Absolutely, yeah, that's true. You know, everybody sounds good by themselves, but when you're all there by yourself and you sound like that, that's exceptional. Ain't no doubt about that. You know, Mother Nature, you're right. She dipping and dabbing, flipping and flopping, bucking, weaving and shucking and jiving. But when you come up in there like that with the radio, it sounds like that. That is unbelievable audio. I mean, just unstoppable, beautiful, heavy bottom end, good bass, good clarity, good articulation, good everything. You know, so you got it going on over there, Master P. I appreciate you rolling that audio up in my receiver. And a big man out there, hello to you, and everybody else on the band, radio station, Motormouth, ball waving. I'm just working on somebody, Cobra 29LX here, one fat watt at a time, doing the best we can from time to time. Master P in the bluegrass, Motormouth ball, your West Coast beast. Looking east, I got down.
410. That bed lets me know I done overstayed my welcome. Hey, Motormouth, till we can do it again, let me get on out of the big boy's way. Because I'm just a little cat bigger. I'm staying on the porch right now, and I got to be on the porch because I can't get nothing else out there. This 20-footer, this antique Viking Valiant in the bluegrass got all the way down. I see you. Good day.
Master P, you're both up in there. Hey, Master P, take care, blessings, good graces. Snoop Dogg wanted to know something. Snoop Dogg was being nosy. He wanted to know something, Break. Well, what you want to know, Snoop Dogg?
Hey, Cat Nigga want to know if I'm coming to New Orleans. Tell him I'm coming to New Orleans. Tell him I'm coming. Tell him we'll be downtown New Orleans on that Cat Nigga in the Easter weekend. Hey, Motormouth, the 20-footer with that 5. Getting down.
It's rough and tough, you know. I'd play it back, but you got some competition up there. It sounds good, it looks good, it's working good, but you're in there all by yourself, so it's going to dilute. It's going to dilute the effect of what I'm going to play back. But check this out. Here it comes. That's what I heard right there. Hey, Snoop Dogg, I hope you got that, Motor Mouth Mall, your West Coast beast, dropping the hammer from time to time. I got down, break up.
Yeah, he rolled to the top. Hey, Motor Mouth, he rolled to the top right there, man, on that cat making in. Hey, Motor Mouth, the 20-footer said he rose to the top. Put it on you later, man. It's 20-footer. Tell old Snoop I said top of the day to him. Hump day wave from the bluegrass, the P-Funk, getting down.
The mag, the voice is back 10-7. Bye. I don't know that doggone bang.
There's a big old dead key in my radio. I'm going to guess by the look of it, it's one or two people. And one of them is too far south for where I'm looking at, so I'm surprised. But I'm not surprised. The other one would be Big Man. But let me play this back for you. So you wanted to hear what you sounded like in some traffic.
Some traffic, man. Hey, Motor Mouth Mall, that's what I really have been looking for. I wanted to see what it looked like in traffic. And that's what I needed to hear. Motor Mouth Mall, I sure appreciate it. Snoop Dogg.
And then somebody did that. So that right there would be a beyond a traffic jam, their break. I believe everything's totaled out their break.
I can hear Cat making 12 gauge. Talking with them boys up in Chicago too. That Cat making 12 on my ears too.
Yeah, except with the Peter gun. While you made the Watergate, you cleaned up my radio too. You threw that big old DC up in there, and there's nothing underneath you. Or if it was underneath you, it was all covered up in debris. Peter Gunn, you making the video gate. You're all up in here. Ain't no doubt about that. Check this out. You all up in there. Hey, you got that mall down. Holy smokes, Motor Mouth Mall, cruising break.
So glad I did hear you. Hey, Big Man down south, you have a wonderful blessed day. You know, 3 double over, get out the way. Drill Sergeant, the voice is back 10-6. Greg D. Roger.
That thing down out here. I tried everything I could to try to get your signal smaller over here, and it just got bigger. So I don't know what you're doing or how you're doing it, but you got it going on over there on the BYU. Peter Gunn, blessings and good graces. Motor Mouth Mall.
Bye, Chuck Change. Hey, Chuck Change, while you getting that mobile out of there, 300 say bye. Hey, Chuck Change, 300 is go.
Okay, you have a great day as well. We'll catch you later on. You say, if I did not hear you, that means you did not key, and I will watch your back. Ain't no doubt about that. Take care, 73s. Peter Gunn, Motor Mouth Mall, got down. Break out, Mr. Consistent. Your West Coast. Got down.
The sun power of bye. Hey, Chuck Change, 300 said bye. Yay. Yeah, right back 229. Yeah, Squeeze, you sounded good. I hear you coming through.
Ball, the West Coast Beast dropping a hammer from time to time. Seems like can't roll up around your radio. A squeezer. Motor Mouth Mall working this thing I got down. Breaker.
Hey, Squeezer, no pain, no strain. I love the way you walk through that thing, no doubt. Hey, Squeezer, the way you're walking right now, you're doing it with your head up and chest out, no doubt about it. Hey, Squeezer in the mag, Mr. Worldwide, 300 on the coast. Hey, Squeezer, the most interesting man, goddamn. Same thing up here in Connecticut, man. They got me 12 games back down and blowing my ears talking to young people, no doubt about it. Take care, 229, hey, 12 games, if you got a sloppy copy, the voice and
Big Gun, your baby brother, bottom side of Cali, said hello.